Good morning, everyone. Woohoo! It's Sunday fun day. Tony's here with Tony Epic Shots. In today's episode, I want to tell you guys about the test and go for February. It's back, but there's a little bit changes here and there. Yeah, it's kind of like confusing, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys right now. Hello, my friend. Woohoo! YouTube time. Hey, what's up, everyone? Tony's here with Tony Epic Shots. Woohoo! In today's episode, I'm gonna do a test and go update for you guys for February. Woohoo! We on 4K. I'm doing an edit version for all you folks, so you guys don't have to worry about the live stream action. Sometimes live stream doesn't work too good. That's why I just bust out my GoPro and start filming right now. Yeah, I was gonna live stream this, but hey, edit version is always best, especially in 4K. But yeah, this is Pattaya right now. Let me go show you guys the beach. Oh yeah, check that out. Everybody's just relaxing, having a good times over here. Everyone's having some good times. It is Sunday fun day. Woohoo! I'm in paradise. What can you say? If you guys want to come, the test and go is open again February 1st. Okay, we're gonna talk about the procedures to get into the test and go again, and then let me go show you guys some b-roll of some action right now. Look at that, everybody like very happy. Look at this guy, he got some food, soda cup. Hello, wow, very delicious. We got some kites you guys can fly to over here. These are the kite rentals. If you guys want to cruise at the beach chairs, yeah, you just have to pay a little fee and then buy some food over there, drinks. They offer everything that you want. They have a food menu, so you can have a nice day at the beach. And today is beautiful. Oh my god, I am lucky and blessed for a Sunday fun day like this. Look at that, everybody was just chilling. Here's the beach of Pattaya, Thailand. Kids are having fun over there. Yes, Pattaya, Thailand. The nickname is called LOS, L-O-S, Land of Smiles. Woohoo! So you guys probably know about all this already. So yes, the test and go on February, it starts February 1st. It's kind of confusing now because you gotta go get tested 2 times before you get kind of released, but you got released already after the first day. So it's kind of confusing, so here's the rundown. You still need a PCR test before you fly out from your country. 72 to 48 hours or 48 hours to 72 hours before you fly. Has to be a negative. And then what else? Yeah, don't forget, book a return flight too, because the airplane provider ain't gonna let you on if you don't have a return flight. That's what happened to me. Just sharing it for you guys. So you have to go a ticket for a flight to Thailand and a ticket to come back home. Okay, don't forget that. And then after that, don't forget your insurance, travel insurance, your travel health insurance. And then for 1 month, it was only like $100 at Mr. Prakin. Yes, yeah. I'll leave the description down below if you guys want to check them out for some travel health insurance. $50,000 is the travel health insurance quota. Okay, you gotta get at least $50,000, and it's only about $100 for 1 whole month. After that, you go and book your plane ticket. Yeah, hello. After I come. Yes, yeah. Oh yeah. How much baht?
Okay.
How much baht? How much baht? Gotta go show you guys some info on this. The boat, yeah.
Okay.
1,500 for this.
Yeah.
1,500 baht. That's like $45. You can get ski. You can big boat, 3,500. Can take you to Koh Lan over there. Koh Lan, yes, yes. And then you got a bigger boat over here. Ooh, you can shoot gun too. Or you can go parasailing, 800 baht. I come back, okay? Yes, yes, yes. So if you guys want to do that, you can. I gotta go give the guy a shout out because everybody's hurting. Come here and enjoy the weather. It's pretty easy to come. It's just the new test and go is confusing. So getting back to that, so yeah, after you buy a plane ticket, you're pretty much done until you apply for the Thai pass. Okay, so you submit all that on the Thai Test and Go Thailand pass on the website, and then yeah, getting back to it, they changed a few things. So it's a test and go, but it's kind of like a test and go and back and test and go again. That's what I say, I don't know, but yeah, you test and go. For the first night you have to book a hotel. Yeah, for the first night you have to book a hotel. You take a test right after the airplane. It'll take you to the hospital, or you can take the test at the hotel. I stayed at the Grand Central Point in Terminal 21, Bangkok City. The testing was on site and everything, so I give them a shout out. You guys really want to relax and stay at a fabulous luxury. It's kind of affordable too. It's probably only $60 right now for a night. But yeah, check them out. Grand Central Point, Terminal 21, or any Grand Central Point, they're on it. Okay. And then don't forget, I bought my hotel ticket on Agoda Hotel on agoda.com. Yes, some other website won't give you the right information, and I got screwed. So if you guys saw my test and go video, the first one, yeah, go and book through agoda.com. They give you all the paperwork you need. And then yeah, it's important because I got denied like 3 times because I didn't have the right paperwork and didn't have any help at all, except right now I'm giving you guys the help. But getting back to it, yeah, the first night you come, you land, you arrive to Thailand at the airport. You go to the you're gonna have a private driver. Once you get out, there's all the hotels, flyers and everything. All the people that work there, they're gonna situate you with a driver so you can go get your test, your PCR test in Thailand, or you can get the test at the hotel. Okay, like what I said, Grand Central Point, they have it right at the hotel. You don't have to go to the hospital. Other than that, yeah, if you test negative, you can get released the next day. If you test positive, you gotta stay for 10 days. Yeah, that's it. If you test negative, yeah, you can get released the next day. Okay, the next morning whatsoever. And after that, you're free to experience this. The beach town of Pattaya is only about 1 hour and 30 minutes away from Bangkok. So yeah, come join me and have some fun in the sun. Woohoo! Especially on a Sunday fun day. Woo. I'm ready. Come on. Getting back to the confusing part two. So they want you to go back to the hotel, book a hotel for another test and go PRC test on the 5th day. Okay, you have to go back to the hotel, stay there, get a PRC test, and then you can find out if you're good to go on the 5th day. In the morning, if you're negative, you're good. If you're positive, you gotta stay and quarantine. Yeah, it's kind of confusing, but it is what it is. I suggest if the easy way to go, just stay the 7 days. Yeah, 7 days quarantine. Just stay the seven days quarantine. Yeah, the queue is all good. 7 days, you'll be at the hotel. You don't have to worry. They feed you 3 times a day, and then after like the 3rd day, you can walk around the hotel. But if you decide to go to the test and go route, yeah, the first day, if you get negative, they release you. You can run around the city, do whatever you like. But if you come back on the 5th day, you test positive, you are screwed. You have to go quarantine. Okay, but if you test negative, you're all good. You can go and do whatever you want for the length of your stay. But if you go to the sandbox in Phuket, you can stay there for 7 days and don't worry about nothing. Just go fly there, run around the island for 7 days and test negative on the way out, and you're good. Yeah, that's about it. That's the test and go 2.0 for February. It's kind of confusing, but I hope this helped you guys. But look at me right now, I am in heaven. This is paradise. There's like not too much people on the beach too, so yes, I'm enjoying every day, all of this. We're gonna be partying pretty soon. Chinese New Year's coming up, Valentine's Day coming up. I got a big rave to go to, and then yeah, I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm gonna go have some lunch with my wingman right now. It's like a buffet, American buffet, so I'm hungry. Woohoo! So other than that, I hope this information is helpful for the Test and Go 2.0 for February. If you guys enjoy all this, all you guys have to do is just subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Tony Epic Shots, okay? Smash that like button, comment down below if you guys need any more answers, and then I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya! Aloha!